Hi, this is the Next Gardener. Today we'll talk about bottom watering. First, we talk about what is bottom watering. Bottom watering is putting the succulents in a larger container of water and allowing the succulent to absorb water through the drainage hole. Then what we need to know before bottom watering. First, ensure the pot has drainage hole. Second, check the soil before watering and ensure the soil is completely dry out. Third, newly planted succulents are unsuitable to bottom watering. Next, how to bottom watering your succulents. Step 1. Fill the container with water so that it will reach 1 inch from the bottom of the soil in your planter. Step 2. Place your plants in the container. Step 3. Let the plants sit in the container for about 5 to 15 minutes until the top soil is moisture. Step 4. Lift it up and then I let it dry out. You may wonder why we need to know bottom watering. When your succulents grow bigger than the pot mouth, you can try bottom watering, which can avoid water sit in the center and cause leaves rot. When the succulent root is very sensitive to growing conditions, especially watering, bottom watering can prevent overwatered. Besides, bottom watering can help plant roots grow stronger. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy and find these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.